My name is Hassan. So today I want to share with you system I developed, or how to say big system. So big system that I developed. The name of this system is, as we see here, is smart home system. So let's go on together to see what is smart home system and to see what's next. So in here, we will watch together about the demo and what kind of smart home I developed. So let's watch together the video. So I use a carton, small carton that I make like home, so smart home. So I will control the smart home using my phone. I will control home appliance using my smartphone. Also there you will see the carton, there is a door and window. Here I will use two lamps, this orange lamp and white lamp, and there is the fan. And here I have the camera, ESP2 camera, and there is the window, the control of the window, the two controller of the window, like, and there is the SCD. So there is automatic fan. When the temperature is high, the fan will turn on. When the temperature is low, the fan will turn on. And here we have the box. There we will see the brain of the system. The name of it is Arduino. And then we will see the model. That's the name of the model is DHT11 sensor that will sense the temperature. There we will see the jumper wires and sensor shield. And also we will see the Bluetooth model that I use to connect the phone with the Bluetooth model. Back of the box there is the relay. The relay function is to connect and to control the light coming, the power come or the electricity come outside to the Arduino, which will control. So now I will turn on the lights or the alarm using my phone. I use this app you can easily find from the Play Store, and the name of the app is Hey Keys, IoT Keys. So you need to turn on the Bluetooth to connect. So when you turn on the Bluetooth, you can turn on the light and you click the button. So you will see the light will turn on. So you can turn off when you click back. So I will turn on the orange lamp. So we will see the orange lamp. So the orange lamp I will turn off, it will turn on. So using smartphone. About the fan, you will turn on using your phone, and you will turn off with your fan. You will click the button to turn on. So together we can turn on one time. So now we will see that we can control together. So this system, the reason I developed this system is for so let's go on the outline. Today we will see together about these points, about the abstract, introduction, related work, materials and methods, experimental result, and conclusion. About the abstract or about the introduction, as we see, I developed a smart home or advanced smart home that for the reason I developed for them, through my research, I found a problem. The problem is disabled or elder people, they cannot control the smart home easily. So the problem is the disabled and elderly people, they cannot control the smart home easily or home easily. So the solution is I developed for them a system that helps them to control. So the system here, I use the Bluetooth and IoT or the internet to control the home. As we see this picture is look like home. So then we will see the phone. So the smartphone is, what is a smartphone? Smartphone is we need to use our phone to control home appliance. Also, we can make it automatic, like it's kind of IoT, or how to say, things we work together, like the fan and when the temperature is high, the fan will turn on. So some kind of sensing. So it's kind of that. About here, I find a problem. The problem I find from my research is disabled and elderly people, they cannot control the home easily. So what I find that is, I try to develop a smart home system or make a solution. So the solution is a smart home system so they can control easily the home appliance using the smartphone. As we see this graph, in the United States, the household or the market, they will increase from 2018 to 2017. The market is increased buying smart home devices. So we will see in 2027 or in 2024, 69%. So it increased rapidly, as we see in that table or this graph. As we see in here in leisure world, a lot of people they try to develop a smart home. In here, they develop a smart home. They control lamps and other appliances. So they develop smartphone. They control lamps and other appliances. In here, other people they try to develop a smart home system using voice control. Example, turn on. I want to turn on the light. So my voice, the light will turn on. I say turn off the light, the light will turn on. So they use a voice. In here, they develop a smart home system. So when they develop a smart home system, they control the temperature, also they control the light, and they use internet. Why I use, the difference on what I use here is the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and internet, but they use only internet. In here, these people, they try to develop a smart home system, and they are just same for other people. What they do, they control the light, and they control the lamps, the lamp, and they control the temperature. Yeah. So what I'm different from here, or what is the new from here? While I'm from my essay, I not find people try to develop a smartphone system with a camera, but I developed a smartphone with a camera. So let's go together to see materials methods and what is this. This graph or this picture. If you understand all the system how it's work. In here we will see the user. The user, he will take his phone or his smartphone. He wants to turn on the Bluetooth to connect to the Arduino. So when he connects to the Arduino, so he can control the security camera and the door window, lamp, steam, weather temperature, and weather and the fan and home appliance. So he must also turn on the Wi-Fi to check the camera IP address to see what the camera recording. And here, this is the software. This software is you need to use between the Arduino, and if you want to code the Arduino or put a code, you need to use this software. This is the equipment. This is Arduino sensor shield and Arduino, and this is the brain, and this is the sensor shield that connects to the Arduino and others. And this is the jumper wires, servo motors, jumper wires. It's called there is two parts of jumper wires, male to male and male to female. And this servo motor is used for this one for the door and window. Here the Bluetooth model is needed to use for to connect to the mobile phone, to the smartphone. And here LCD it will display what we see. The temperature is high, how many Celsius, and how many temperature is it 20 or 30. Here is a temperature sensor. Here is the element sensor, and here is a steam sensor. Here is multimeter. Multimeter is used for to know the electricity rate. And here is a portable relay model. It's used for to control the electricity comes outside and goes to the Arduino or microcontroller. I use two lamp, white lamp and yellow lamp. I use the fan. What you must use 110 volt because Taiwan they use the 110 volt. This is the ESP2 camera. In experimental results, we will go on. This is the smartphone I developed this picture, and this is the mobile app, and this is the smart fan. And conclusion says this smartphone system I developed is helping elder people and disabled people to control easily the home appliance. Thanks. Thank you so much for your time.
有没有问题？ One question. Generally, we would like to control the home appliance via the internet, right? So why you choose the Bluetooth to be your wireless technology instead of Wi-Fi?
Why I use the Bluetooth?
Yeah.
In my system, it uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi part is with the camera. To know, if you want to know the camera, you need to open the IP address. So that side is used the camera and the Wi-Fi. The reason I use the Bluetooth is if the internet is not work. So the Bluetooth is very easy than the Wi-Fi one or the internet one.
不然没什么其他问题。好，那如果没有，我们就谢谢那个这篇论文的发表啊。Thank you for your. 好，那我们这个 session 就到这边。